Welcome to Zorgani Academy, Learning Management System. Lesson 10, Creating a Funnel Course Website by Daryl Wilson.
The Tutor LMS Pro version. I'll meet you there. Okay, so before we go on any further, I want to show you guys how to turn your course website into a funnel course website. For example, let's say you guys are selling one course, right? And you want to create a funnel for your traffic, right? So your visitors will come to your sales page. From the sales page, they're then taken to the actual product. From the product, you can offer additional upsells, like additional products to buy, and then they're brought to the thank you page where they'll go ahead and check out and purchase the product. This is ideal if you want the customer to directly buy something instead of navigating the website and getting lost. And this is also ideal if you're selling maybe one course, right? For example, over here, this is a website that I use for a lot of my projects, and you can see here the customer is brought to your main sales page. This is where you're trying to convince them to buy something. From the checkout page, they can purchase it, and then they're brought to a thank you page. I'm sure many of you guys have seen a page that looks like this before, right? I mean, from way back when, but a lot of people use these funnels because they work. So here's like a big video. We have the title, and if they click on this, they can go ahead and purchase the course on the very next page. So let me go ahead and walk you guys through on how to create a funnel on your website. It's really easy to get started. And if you guys are selling courses, it might be something that you might want to consider because it does help with conversions. And we're going to make this for free using a free plugin. How about that? So let's go over here to our dashboard, and we're going to install a free plugin. We'll go down to plugins and click on add new. Now for the search plugins, we're going to type in WooFunnels. This is a really good plugin to create funnels on your websites. And this is the plugin right here. It's called WooFunnels. It also comes with tons of templates, and it works with all page builders. So you can be using any page builder, and it works really well. So let's go ahead and click on install now, and then we'll click on activate. All right, cool. Now, once you guys install the WooFunnels plugin, you'll then see WooFunnels right here. Go ahead and click on funnels, and we're going to create a new funnel for your websites. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to add a funnel. Now this also integrates with the WooCommerce payment gateways, okay? So you don't have to worry about creating another payment gateway or anything else. This integrates with WooCommerce, so we're gonna be using the WooCommerce payment gateways, the ones that we set up earlier. So right here, I'll click on add a funnel, right? And just give your funnel a name, right? And you guys can rotate these funnels. You know, you can try various funnels to see what works best. And this will be like the main funnel, right? The main funnel. And I'll click on add. All right, so once you guys create a funnel, it'll take you to the main funnel page right here where you guys can see tons of templates, right? So they do have a lot of templates that you guys can use. These right here are Pro, so you guys will need to purchase the Pro, but we don't need to do that just yet. You guys don't need to purchase the Pro for this plugin. Here you have opt-in pages, sales pages, checkouts, and so on and so forth. Now, one thing I also do want to mention is the one-click upsells is exclusive to the Pro version. But the other pages you guys can use in the free version. You guys can also fully design and customize your own page. So these are Pro. However, you guys can make your own, so you don't have to purchase the Pro. But let me go ahead and show you guys how to set this all up. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm actually just going to pick from a template, and we're just going to kind of cruise through this. I'll probably make another video that goes through this all in detail. But for this video, I'll just give you guys a brief overview about how to use it. It's really simple. So right here, I'm going to import this template, right? We have 4 different steps. So I'll click on import, and here we go. So we have the sales page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. Very similar to our chart right here, right? We have the sales page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. So this is the first page users are brought to, right? So right here, I'll click on the 3 dots, and I'll click on edit. And we can actually edit this page, and I'll walk you guys through on how to edit so you guys can create your own. So this is the template kit that we're using, right? But right here, I'll click on edit templates. And we are now going to design this using the page builder that we used earlier. So you guys can actually go ahead and recreate your own funnel page. I mean, you guys can get as customizable as you want. So this would be the first page people are brought to when they go to your websites. So here you guys can obviously change the title, all right? And here we have the video placeholder. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that when you guys do use the video, there's a lot of options, right? You have autoplay, you have play on mobile. I would put the mute on as well. So what happens is when users come to your website, this will autoplay, yet it'll also mute. So there's no sound. And then you guys can also hide the YouTube information right here with the Immatish branding like that. And then also you can also turn on privacy mode if you choose to do that. So once you guys actually go ahead and design this page, you guys can go ahead and bring them to your next page. Now, one thing I do want to mention, if you guys want to go ahead and just get rid of this entire page and start from scratch, this button right here, you'll see this link right here. All you have to do is copy this. And let's say, for example, you guys want to make like a different button, or you want to do something else. You'll just go ahead and say, you know, I don't want to use this button. I want to use my own button. Go ahead and drag it right there. And I'll just go ahead and, you know, I'll just delete this just for tutorial purposes. And whatever page that you make, you just need to go ahead and paste that link like that. This enables users to go to the next step of your funnel, right? So I'll go ahead and click on update. So on your own time, you guys can go ahead and create your own funnel. You guys go ahead and check my website. I might have funnels for you guys. I might be making them. I'm not sure just yet, but just feel free to check out my website, and I probably will have free funnel pages for all of you. But once we go ahead and design this page, I'll click on view page, right? And this is the landing page. So you can see that the video plays right away and users can see what's going on. They can then go ahead and scroll down right here and click on click here. This will then take them to the next step, which is the checkout, right? So for example, you guys can also edit this page as well. And then you guys can also design this page just like you did on any other previous page, right? So here you can put in like, oh, Jenny Craig, or, you know, Jenny Craig, and she said something really cool about your, you know, your products. And then we got do we have stars, or is that only the pro version? Yeah, we got the star ratings here. Hold on, yeah, the stars. There we go. Yeah, you know, the stars make everything good, you know. So we'll just go ahead and just everyone gets 5 stars. 5 stars for everybody, you know. So this is how you guys can customize this page, right? And this is the actual checkout form right here. So here you have the customer information tab, and this is where you can modify your form if you want it bigger or smaller and so on and so forth. Or if you want like your first name to be full or something like that, you guys can customize this as well. And then also the next tab, we have the payment gateways. This is referring to this section right here where you can just adjust the heading. You can also adjust the subheading, and then you can change the actual, you know, place order now to buy now or something like that. And then also you can put this text below, whatever this is right here, right? Text below. And then this will create text right here below that. So that's also something that you guys can add. But yeah, you guys can go ahead and customize this checkout form any which way you guys want. But I'll go ahead and click on update here. All right, and then I'll view the page. So now that we have this page right here, we now need to add a product for this page, right? Because you can see here how we have this product, but I'll show you guys how to assign your own course, right? Remember earlier how we used the product to create the course? I'll show you guys how to assign that. So let's go back over here to dashboard. Now let's say, for example, you guys want to assign a course to be sold in this funnel. You'll go over here to funnels, right? And here's our main funnel, right? So I'll go ahead and click on the main funnel. So here we have the landing page, right? We customize that, and we also customize the checkout. Here we have the no products. We'll click on this and we'll add a product, right? So let's say I want to add a product here. Well, I'll just put in something like, I think I have one course product here that says like perfect something. There we go. Yeah, so my meal plan course, right? I'm going to sell this course, and I'm going to add this product to the course, or add this product to the funnel, right? So let's go back over here to the funnel. I'll click up here to funnel, and this will bring us back to our main funnel right here. So now let's say you guys have this funnel and you want to use this on your website. Let's do that. So to assign this to your home page, all you have to do is you'll go over here to settings and you'll click on reading. Then you'll see this home page right here. You'll then go ahead and select the landing page, the one that we created. So landing page, right? And then I'll click on save changes. Once that's done, you'll then go ahead and click on visit sites, and voila, this is your new landing page. So we have the landing page here. They'll click on get here. This will then take them to the form right here where they can go ahead and put in their information. And then they'll go ahead and just say, I have read to the terms and complete payments. And that's it. Your funnel is complete. You guys have just made money. So it's really easy to create your funnel right here. I really do like this. So if you guys do want this approach on your websites, I highly recommend going with WooFunnels. It's a really good funnel builder. Now, just remember to use your payment gateways in order to integrate this with WooFunnels, right? So I use cash on delivery, but this is obviously a different demo website because I'm using a different plugin. So over here, I'll go over to the WooCommerce and go to settings. And then over here under the payment section, this is where you're going to enable your payment gateway, and this will integrate with WooFunnels. So earlier that we did talk about credit cards and PayPal. WooFunnels integrates with all those payment methods. Here I just use cash on delivery, but you'll just want to go ahead and enable the payment gateway that you want WooFunnels to work with. So that's how you guys can create a funnel website or a funnel course websites for your website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Feel free to check out WooFunnels and also their other pro version. I'll probably be making a separate video for that. I didn't want this video to get too long, but yeah, so now that you guys know how to create funnels, let's go ahead and move on to the next section.